Behind the scenes. Scène 1, take 1. Action.
I'm on set by the Cinecom short movie. I'm gonna shoot it behind the scenes. So they brought the whole studio with them in care. A lot of lights here. And I have my rig here on an Easyrig, so I can shoot nicely handheld. So let's go upstairs and see what they are doing right now, because they are setting up the first scene. Look, a red camera. The director's monitor is now set up. And we have a light setup here with a big diffusion panel. And we have the DOP here.
Yay! Dus dit shot gaan we nu eerst doen. Gewoon van rechts naar links.
But I mean, other than that, no, I think it looks great right now.
Yeah, I can't go any harder with. Like, I got 3 lights here.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it. Cut. Let's reset. Let's go ahead and clean up like all of this stuff.
So this will be the third scene, and Jordy will give a presentation here.
Scene 4, take 1. Yeah, it's just her walking in front of the monitors. You are coming with us, man.
Hello Jordy, how are you? How was this take going?
Good. Good.
Nice. So we did another take and we are moving on because we have more takes to do. I heard they have cake, so let's check out the catering. What did you make for
Apple cake.
apple cake?
Apple pie.
And what are you eating for sandwich?
I don't know. In English.
Ham.
Ham, yeah.
Yeah.
Ham with tomatoes and salad. It's delicious.
En groentjes.
Yeah.
This is a shot of our actress, who is Nancy. She's just going from work, and she's going to be going downstairs, and everyone's congratulating her because she has just made this fantastic breakthrough with VR technology. She's leaving, and everyone, it's the end of the day, they're getting ready to take off, and then she's going to a basement where she has her and he's actually in a that she has created for him. So, you know, like a regular relationship.
So we also now know a little bit about the story.
Delete this.
The next shot will be a wide shot in this big open area. So we are setting it now up, cleaning it up, lighting it out.
Medical supervisor.
And the medical supervisor is down there. And she is Kim Jones. Here we have a nice Aperture 120D with a big softbox. And here they set up a nice small light. What kind of light is this?
An orange.
It's a Stella 5K.
Stella 5K.
5K.
Wat?
5K.
5K.
Maar ik heb niks gedaan.
Jawel, ik heb je zitten schuiven.
Ah, ja, gewoon schuiven. Het was wat minder. Het was wat...
And here, hidden away in the kitchen, an Aperture LS1. And here another 120D hidden away, also with an orange filter. Here we have another Aperture LS1, so that's lighting this hallway here. And a small Stella light, also with an orange filter.
Yeah.
So it's looking much better now. We put black wrap and some flags above it to block out the sun coming from this direction. And we have a nice mixture of light domes and light UFOs here in the room. So we have a lot of light going on.
Okay, everyone ready? Alright. Camera roll? Yeah. Sound roll? Yeah. And action? Tell you what, why don't you take that monster off there and I'll carry this. I would recommend you put your shoes back on, but that's just me. That's how I live.
Jordy, how's it going? Yeah. More than I thought.
Okay. Okay, Eric.
Perfect. Perfect. Jordy Vanderput, where'd you go?
He
Just ran away.
So I shot the behind the scenes of the Cinecom short movie, and I used my rig, and I really enjoyed it. I have an Easyrig Minimux with my GH5 with the Zacuto rig, with the tornado grip on the set drive follow focus, small HD monitor, Rode NC1 microphone for the audio, and it worked perfectly. And I wear it the whole day without any problems, because the Easyrig takes all the weight, and also it's really easy to swap it over from like handheld low shots to my shoulder. Just flip down the handle, move it up, move the monitor, and you're now shooting from your shoulder. So it's a really handy setup like this. How was it today?
Today was, I mean, after my kids being born, probably the greatest day of my life.
That's good. We are really proud that we are part of that moment.
Today was a fantastic day. Everyone worked really hard. Kelly walked up and down stairs, I don't know, 500 times.
In heels.
In heels, backwards. She did an amazing job. The guys did such a great job taking, you know, the simple shots that I had figured out and made them so beautiful and made them really sing. The only low part of the day was Victor.
Yeah, of course. First day of the shoot.
Yeah.
Was it fun?
I'm tired. It was a lot of fun. I'm super tired. And we still have to do a lot today because we're still preparing for the next days to come. And we haven't finished everything yet, so I'm gonna get more tired today.
Good. I will help you getting more tired.
That's good.
I will link his channel down in the description. You probably have seen it. It's Cinecom, the famous Jordy here.
Stay creative.
Yeah.
I'm super tired.
Yeah, so thanks, and thanks for watching.
Bye.